Okay, hi everybody. So today we will talk about how to send masks to your Ledger device using Ledger Live as well. And we begin by clicking on Account. In this case, you'll see that I already have Polygon added, but I do not have Base. Now the steps to add the accounts is the same for both Polygon and Base. Now because I don't have Base added, so let's do that right now and I'll show you how to go ahead to add that. First things first, let's search for the asset name, or it's the network. So if it were Polygon, you would search for Poly, and Polygon is right there. So you search for Polygon and you'll see Pol as the token. But in our case, we're looking for Base. Base is a bit tricky. You have to actually scroll down to catch the Base token. You're looking for Base with ETH in parentheses. It's way down. There it is. We continue. So at this point, it's connecting to the Ledger device. Synchronizing. We give it a name. So in my case, I'll call it Base Main. Add account. And add it successfully. Now, when we want to send the mask, it's very important that we have to capture the address from the Ledger Live. So we click on Base. In this case, we're sending mask to the Base chain. We click on Receive. At this point, it's very important you understand that you'll be sending an ERC20 token to this Base account. Mask is an ERC20 token. That's okay. You continue. Now, let me talk about this step right here. For security purposes, what you're going to do is you're going to verify the address you see on your screen to the address you see on your Ledger device. Make sure they do match. And when they do, before you click approve on your Ledger device, just copy this address here. So copy. And we'll approve it on the Ledger device. Fantastic. So that's done. Now what you do is with that address, you would simply take the address and send it, for example, from your MetaMask. When you do send your mask on your Base chain, you paste the address you just copied and then send a small amount. Always test your transactions with 1, 2, or 3 mask tokens. Send it through. Then when you know that they do get through, you go back and add the rest. So you send the rest over. It's just you're being a bit paranoid with that, which is good because you have to be careful that you don't want to lose your tokens when you send them over, just to be sure that the address was good. Okay, so what you want to do, for example, in this case, when you do have tokens in your account, in my case, my Base is empty, but I'll show you this through the Polygon account. So in here, I'll click on Polygon. And this is where you would add the MASQ token. So for example, here in my tokens list, it is not there. I would click on add token. And you select your token. So here I type MASQ on the Polygon and continue. And obviously you have to verify this. And you have to open the Ethereum app. Very important. Both Base and Polygon work through the Ethereum app on your Ledger device. So let's go ahead and approve that, making sure everything is okay. So we obviously check the address, verify the address on the device, approve, and done. So that's the basics to work with sending your mask to your Ledger device. One quick trick I wanted to show you in terms of viewing your assets as an alternative to Ledger Live is, let's use dbank.com. It's a quick way to verify if your assets did reach your Ledger device. So what you would do is copy the address that I showed you previously when you clicked on the receive button. In my case, I have just a test wallet that I'm going to show you here. You paste the address here and then just search for it. So obviously this wallet's empty, but just to give you an idea, it would then show you the assets in your wallet, and if you did send mask to your Ledger device, you would see it in the list here. This is one way of viewing your wallet without having to actually add the token in Ledger Live. Or if you don't want to use Ledger Live, suppose you just send your mask from your MetaMask to your Ledger device and you don't want to use Ledger Live to view it, well, you can use dbank. That'll show you the assets as well. Please be very careful when you type dbank. Type it DEBANK.com. Type it directly. I've seen in the past phishing sites for dbank where it would be basically a phishing site that would ask you to, I believe it was to connect your wallet, and obviously they can empty your wallet in such cases because it was a scam. But so just go directly to the site DEBANK.com. You can view your wallets using the site. It's easy to use. I highly recommend it. So thanks again.